Hi, welcome. This is our Shumatt live channel. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts. Today, I will bring you one of our hot sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly is this kind of blue VCI anti-roast bag. Here, this is the label. The label print with our Shumatt brand, and the product code is F00RJ01727. For the logo or label packages, etc., we can support customized service. And then let's check the inside. Transparent bottles can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. Inside is 1 layer of the oil paper to wrap it up. Each product we Shumatt supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers, if you are not set with the quality, it's okay. We can return or exchange, so you have the quality guaranteed. And for this valve assembly, it's applicable for 04451200086, etc. The injector number 120 series, China made brand new. Here, print with the product code with the coating figures. This is the valve rod. We'll install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, so much for this one. At last, more details please send us by the comments or messages. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!